everyone, this is Rachel Apot and welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, I will discuss about the history and background in volleyball and what are the basic rules in volleyball, and also I will execute the basic skills in volleyball. Volleyball was invented in 1895 by William J. Morgan, a YMCA physical education director in Holyoke, Massachusetts, as a less strenuous indoor alternative to basketball for businessmen. Originally named Mentonet, it blended elements of tennis, handball, and basketball. The sport quickly gained popularity, becoming an Olympic sport in 1964. The basic rules in volleyball. The serve. Server must serve from behind the restraining line until after contact. Ball may be served underhand or overhand. Ball must be clearly visible to opponents before serve. Serve ball may graze the net and drop to the other side for point. First game serve is determined by a volley. Each subsequent game shall be served by the previous game loser. Serve must be returned by a bump only, no setting or attacking a serve. Scoring. Rally scoring will be used. There will be a point scored on every score of the ball. Offense will score on a defense miss or out of bounds hit. Defense will score on an offensive miss, out of bounds hit, or serve into the net. Game will be played to 25 points. Must win by 2 points. Rotation. Team will rotate each time they win the serve. Players shall rotate in a clockwise manner. There shall be 4 to 6 players on each side. Playing the game. Maximum of 3 hits per side. Player may not hit the ball twice in succession. Ball may be played off the net during a volley and on serve. A ball touching a boundary line is good. A legal hit is contact with a ball by a player body above and including the waist, which does not allow the ball to visibly come to a rest. If 2 or more players contact the ball simultaneously, it is considered one play and the players involved may not participate in the next play. A player must not block or attack a serve. Switching positions will be allowed only between front-line players. Basic violations. Stepping on or over the line on a serve. Failure to serve the ball over the net successfully. Hitting the ball illegally. Touches of the net with any part of the body while the ball is in play. If the ball is driven into the net with such force that it causes the net to contact an opposing player, no foul will be called and the ball shall continue to be in play. Reaching over the net except under these conditions. Ang pagkat-on sa volleyball dili lang fun ug lingaw, pero effective pud nga way para ma-strengthen ang whole body. Makahatag siya og exercise sa tanang part sa lawas, kusog, stamina ug better coordination. Ang dula nag-train sa teamwork ug discipline nga importante pod para sa mental health ug social skills. Regular nga pagdula makapugong sa risgo sa obesity, high blood pressure, ug heart problems tungod sa active movement. Overall, ang volleyball usa ka holistic activity nga naghatag og health benefits ug positive mindsets. Volleyball is not just a game, pero usa ka lifestyle practice nga naghatag og kusog, kahimsog ug kalipay. Ang pag-apil niini kay investment para sa healthy life ug mas lig-on nga future.